Hello, it's Wayne from Caravan and Motorhome Sales. Today we have this 2003 Hymer C546. It's done 57,000 miles and it's based on the Fiat 2.8 85 brake horsepower. So it's got the large Fiamma awning, you've got the double electric step there. Round to the back, decals are absolutely fine. You've just got a bit of an issue with the paintwork there, kind of bobbling. And then as we carry on round, windows are all good. Bodywork's not too bad for its age, to be fair. You've got a bit of an issue there where it's been taped. Wing mirrors are fine, windscreen's fine. You've got a bit of an impact on the front bumper. Some paint peel above the badge, but nothing major. Does come with an alarm. And there we go. Right. Okay, so this is a 5-berth 6-belt. And starting off at the front, you've got your Kenwood stereo. It's a 5-speed manual windows. You've got cab curtains, the seats are fabric and they're in good condition. So you've got your belted seats 3 and 4, 5 and 6 just there, good sized table. And then you've got a huge side bench TV just there as well. Loads of storage, you've got a nice large roof light. Up top in the over cab, got your ladder just there, nice size. And then you've got a good size wardrobe there. Not sure it's enough for 5 people, mind you. Kitchen area, good size. Oven, you've got your sink and hob just there. Loads of storage dotted about. And then into the bathroom. So, bathroom is wet room. It has yellowed quite a bit, unfortunately, and you've got some issues with the mirror. I'm sure that can be replaced quite easily. So there is some damp just in the corner of the ceiling, but there we go. So everything's noted on the form, on the PDF. Have a quick look at that. But any queries, any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. As you know, we're a lovely friendly bunch and we're always happy to help. Thank you.